Hello, this is Lance Cleveland. I'm going to show you some of the features I've been working on over the past few days for Store Locator Plus. I'm going to focus today on the widget pack. I've been making some modifications to the widget pack add-on that was created by Within Boredom, specifically focused on allowing the widget to be styled much like what I have here in the upcoming 4.0 search form and results area. What you're seeing here, by the way, is a home page created with Store Locator Plus 4. It's using ProPack, the enhanced search, the enhanced map, and enhanced results to tailor this output here. With the 4.0 release of Store Locator Plus, plus all the add-on packs, they're designed so that you can have a lot more control over the user interface and the user experience, making it a lot more friendly for responsive themes. It also allows you to change the layout, do things like change where the map goes in comparison with the search form. So that's all coming in the Store Locator Plus 4.0 compatible releases of the add-on packs. So that's what you're seeing here. The widget pack tweaks that I've made recently allow us to replicate this form and this layout. So I'm going to show you that now with the demo page that just shows the widget pack and how it behaves. This is test page, obviously taken from my current Charleston software site, and the widget pack over here styled using a new theme called Beside Myself. It's the same one that was used on the home page. That's coming in 4.0, and you can see this is styling very similar to what you saw on the map. So I'm going to show you the widget pack settings now so that you can kind of see what's going on with this. And this is widget pack may not be 4.0 specific, so I can show you some of those settings here, and you'll be able to see what we're doing to get the widget pack working. So let me compress this down here so we can show you some of these settings and kind of show you what's going on. So it's a little bit off the edge of the screen, but you get the idea here. So in the widget pack now we have a few other settings here. This search label is placeholder. This is what you saw on that form. It goes before the address input field. If you use this option, it will place that text in what's called a placeholder. That's text that goes inside the input field, and when you click on it, the user clicks on it to start typing a zip code, this little hint of what goes in there will disappear. You have had this already in widget pack, which is changing the label. There is now some new settings here. Radius label. If you set this, if you don't set that to blank, what this will do is put a label on a radius drop down in the widget pack. If you set it to something that's blank, it takes out the radius option completely and uses whatever you set in default radius as your default radius to search for. So some people want a really simple widget. They don't want the user picking radius or anything like that. They're just going to set a default radius of, let's say, 100 miles from within whatever zip code they type in. You delete this radius label and the entire drop down goes away. So I'll show you that in a minute. And then simple output will turn on the original widget pack setting where it just shows the location name and the distance. So in some widget areas you don't have a lot of space to do a more complex output like you just saw, so that will simplify it and allow it to fit in a much smaller space. So for now I'm just going to show you the change of the search label as placeholder. So I'm going to open that up now and show you how it looks here on the widget page. So you can see now it's got the placeholder here within the, and when I start typing goes away, so it's within the actual field itself. Of course, this will help for areas where widget area is not wide enough to support this, so that's how that works. And I'm going to also show you, if I take this out here completely and I save it, then I can go back to my test page here. Let me refresh that and you will see how that changes the look. So I changed that around again, but it takes out that search there, so it's going to default to anything within 5 miles, which is what I set back here on this widget page. So that's how that's working. And then of course the simple output, I'll show you that. and this will put it back to how the current widget pack works, which is to not do that layout that's based on the map layout. So simple output is just going to show the name and the distance. Simple text format. This will click over to whatever the web link is for those sites. So this is how the current widget pack works, again for more compressed space. And with the 1.1 widget pack, if you turn that off, it's going to pick up the styling that you have done for the results that go below your map. So as you saw with my particular setup here, that I wanted it to look a lot like the map page as closely as possible, just without the map. And these new settings, simple output and this radius label, allow you to accomplish that with a new widget pack. And that will hopefully we'll get all my settings back here, and this is what it will look like, which is my widget working with a widget area. Looks a lot like the map, and that is very much like how the map area will work as well. And you can see the functionality and look is the same, so I've got a consistent UI across the platform. So that's it. That's what I've been working on the past few days for a customization project for a client. Everyone will get the benefit of some of those modifications in the upcoming widget pack, and also when the new Store Locator Plus 4.0 and all the enhancements come out. Those will also allow you to do everything you see here. No custom coding. It's all done through the admin panel. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good one.